Take a ride in the 2018 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.